By using a carbon filter, you can prevent cannabis smells from leaving your grow tent. The following kits include 6 inline duct fans and carbon filters together. There are many products available to choose 6 inches inline duct fans, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best 6 inches inline duct fans from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. VIVOS UNT6 6-inch 390 CFM inline duct fan. It is well designed for the most part, although the weak blades have been a problem for some. The motors are fast and capable of ventilating your grow room in no time. The 390 CFM means it can accommodate a range of grow tent sizes too. The only drawbacks are the blades, although malfunctioning devices seem to be in the minority. A well-built duct fan at an affordable price. Easy to install with a 5.4 feet power cord. Speed controller attached. Plastic blades and housing reduce fan noise. This duct fan is compact and lightweight, so it can be installed in small areas. Comes with an installation bracket indicating the direction of the airflow. Removable duct ends with locking tabs. Suitable for industrial, household, and horticulture ventilation applications. It can quietly and efficiently moving large volumes of air throughout your ventilation system. Number 2. TerraBloom 6-inch inline fan ECMF 150 quiet HVAC grow tent fan. Billing its products as the next generation of EC duct fans, TerraBloom is certainly making quite a name for itself with the products they are manufacturing. This has a powerful and quiet EC motor, dual jet type propellers for extra power, and a wireless remote control for easy use. With 6 speeds to play with, you can easily regulate your growing environment. And with a premium design that belies the low price, you also have something that will look good in your grow tent. Built with a brushless EC motor and dual jet blades, our grow tent fan blower delivers 288 CFM airflow at 36 watts max. Our EC HVAC grow tent fan allows speed adjustments from 0 to 100% using the included variable speed controller without disruptive noise. Upgrade to wireless remote control or intelligent thermostat speed controller. Number 3. AC Infinity CLOUDLINE Pro T6 Quiet 6 Inline Duct Fan. It might be one of the more expensive models on the market, but AC Infinity are leaders in their fields. The selling point here is the included intelligent controller. It uses an onboard processor to combat any changes in the temperature, so you won't need to make any changes manually. The controller can also be set at the speed of your choice to ensure a healthier yield. With advanced temperature and humidity controls and a noise-reducing design, this is certainly a good choice. Dynamic temperature and humidity programming, with timers, grow cycles, scheduling, minimum speed. Remotely connect to our Wi-Fi app to access advanced programs, view climate data, and set automation. Mixed flow design combined with a PWM-controlled DC motor for a truly quiet and energy-efficient performance. Number 4. VIVOS UN 6-inch inline duct fan 240 CFM. If you have a low budget and need something that works ASAP, this is the one for you. It has a 240 cm rating, which can be perfect for small grow tents. It has balanced blades for a longer lifespan and is easy to install. The only drawback is the loud noise that some have deemed deafening, so if you're looking for something quiet, this isn't the model for you. Superior balanced centrifugal impeller for long service life and quiet operation. A less than 37 dB noise level does not have any harm and will not disturb your work. Superior balanced centrifugal impeller for long service life and quiet operation. A less than 37 dB noise level does not have any harm and will not disturb your work. You can have it in bathrooms, kitchens, workshops, basements, attics, and etc. in order to boost airflow in HVAC systems. Also, it can be used in grow rooms as intake fans or exhaust fan. Number 5. VIVOS UN 6-inch 440 CFM inline fan. The carbon filter kit is a real plus point, and it also has 8 feet of ducting combo for grow tent ventilation. Its low price point is certainly very attractive, and with a 440 CFM capacity, it is very powerful. Of course, with all of the air it blows around, this isn't the quietest model on the market. Unfortunately, there have been reports of early breakdowns. Some users have complained the fan broke down after only a few months of operation, but this is not the case for the majority of customers. Don't waste time buying and returning parts that may or may not be compatible or safe to use together. This 3-part grow tent fan kit includes everything you need to get set up. The carbon filter eliminates undesirable smelliness, pungent smells and particulates from indoor grow tents and hydroponics grow rooms. Strong, flexible steel wire supports heavy-duty triple-layer duct walls. Pet core is sandwiched in layers of fire-retardant aluminum. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.